Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your FairGo Casino account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. So the first thing first, you want to search for FairGo Casino login just like this. After you search for FairGo Casino login, first option over here where it says fairgocasino.com, you want to click on it. What it will do is it'll take you to the official website of FairGo Casino. Now once you're in its official website, it should look just like this. And over here where it says login, you want to click on login and it's going to show you this. Once this pops up where it says username, just enter the username of your account, and where it says password, just enter the password of your account and click on log. Once you do that, you should be able to log in into FairGo Casino account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.